Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to make a fan in this panel box. First step, go to this part. We will use the fan feature, but before that, make sketch like this. See, the sketch like spider web. Exit the sketch. After that, active fan feature. First, we will insert boundary parameter. Click the circle sketch. See? After that, insert ribs parameter. Click this edge. You can change the dimension like this, make 3 mm. Now insert spark parameter. Click circle sketch. See? And the last step, insert fill in boundary. Click the circle sketch. See? Click OK. See? Now you can make a fan. Go back to assembly. Click yes. OK. See? That is a quick tips. See ya.